Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system. In Inter first year Maths 1B, this is a chapter 0 topic prerequisites 2D coordinate system. In this 2D coordinate system, discuss about coordinate plane. Here, coordinate plane. The definition of coordinate plane. The horizontal line xo x dash is called x-axis. In diagram xo x dash, this is the horizontal line is called x-axis. And vertical line yo y dash is called y-axis. Yo y dash, this vertical line is called y-axis. These two axes intersect at origin O. These two axes are mutually perpendicular. The angle is 90 degree. Here x-axis and y-axis are mutually perpendicular, intersect at O. X-axis and y-axis are called coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis are called coordinate axis, and the plane is called coordinate plane. Here 4 planes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first plane. XOY plane, X dash OY plane, X dash OY dash plane, XOY dash plane. These divide the plane into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. The regions XOY first quadrant Q1, X dash OY second quadrant Q2, X dash OY dash third quadrant Q3, XO Y dash fourth quadrant. According to angle basis, the x-axis and y-axis divide into 4 quadrants, 0 to 90 degree. First quadrant Q1, 90 degree to 180 degree. Second quadrant Q2, 180 to 270 degree. Third quadrant Q3, 270 degree to 360 degree. Fourth quadrant Q4. Next, discuss about coordinate of a point in a plane. Let P equal to x comma y be a point in the plane. Here, the first coordinate x is called x coordinate or abscissa. Second coordinate y is called y coordinate or ordinate. In a coordinate system of plane, first quadrant Q1, in Q1 quadrant x greater than 0, y greater than 0. In Q2 quadrant x less than 0, y greater than 0. In Q3 quadrant x less than 0, y less than 0. In Q4 quadrant x greater than 0, y less than 0. Here P equal to x comma y, the coordinates P lies in Q1 if and only if x greater than 0, comma y greater than 0. Second point, P lies in Q2 if and only if x less than 0, y greater than 0. P lies in Q3 if and only if x less than 0, comma y less than 0. And P lies in Q4 if and only if x greater than 0, comma y less than 0. Here, this is the origin. The right side part of x-axis positive values and left side part of x-axis negative values. Here the topmost part positive values, here the bottommost part is negative values. The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Next, discuss about line segment. A line joining 2 points is called line segment. In line segment, 2 endpoints. Next formula, distance between 2 points. If capital A equal to x1 comma y1 and b equal to x2 comma y2, then distance between 2 points AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here, to observe that square root of difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. If origin is O 0 comma 0 and capital A equal to x comma y, then distance between OA square root of x square plus y square. Here the first coordinate x1 comma y1. Here the second coordinate x2 comma y2. Apply in this formula. x2 place lo x minus 0 whole square x square plus y minus 0 whole square y square. The distance between origin O 0 comma 0 and A x comma y, the distance between OA is equal to root of x square plus y square. Next, discuss about collinear. Here the definition of collinear: two or more points lie on a line is called collinear. In a line, A comma B comma C and D lie on same line. These points are called collinear. Conditions: if A comma B comma C are 3 points, then area of triangle ABC is 0. The points are called collinear. Second point, to find distances AB, BC and CA. Then the condition AB plus BC is equal to AC, or BC plus AC is equal to AB, or AC plus AB equal to BC. Last condition, third one, to find the slope of AB, comma BC and AC. Then the slope of AB equal to slope of BC equal to slope of AC. These three are the conditions for collinear points. Next, discuss about section formula. If P divides line segment capital A equal to x1 comma y1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 in the ratio m is to n internally, then P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here the line segment AB, the line segment, here the point P divides internally in between AB. The ratio is m is to n. If the ratio is positive, the point divides the line segment internally. Next, if P divides line segment capital A equal to x1 comma y1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 in the ratio m is to n externally, then the formula P equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Here this is the line segment AB. The point P divides externally. Externally means the ratio is negative. If the ratio is negative, point P divides externally. If the ratio is positive, the point P divides AB internally. Midpoint of 2 points. If capital A equal to x1 comma y1 and B equal to x2 comma y2, then midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Discuss about point of trisection. If the line segment AB divides 3 equal parts, that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. In diagram, this is the line joining 2 points is called line segment. It divides 3 equal parts. AP distance is equal to PQ distance is equal to QB distance. Here each part is same. Here P and Q is called point of trisection of AB. P is the point, first point of trisection. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. This is the first point of trisection. The second point of trisection Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. In this video, discuss about coordinate of a plane, distance between two points, collinear points, section formula, midpoint of 2 points, and point of trisection. Next video, discuss about triangles, quadrilaterals, orthocenter, circumcenter, and incenter. This is the part for 2D coordinate system. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubt, put in the comment section.